Super race. This is a racing car. Color combination, cartoony helicopter. This is very nice. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back my channel with a new video. Friends, see, and now I am in a Greenland. Oh, so friends, today I will collect some toy vehicles in this place, and you see, here is a new empty bucket. So friends, today this bucket is my collecting bucket. Let's go. Wow, what is this here? Oh no, friend. At first I find my first toy. Oh, this is a, see, this is a flight jet. Oh, this is red and yellow color combination jet. See, this is very nice and beautiful color combination. So I collect this one at my bucket here. And next one. Wow, next one is here. Wow, this is a super rare bus. See, this is red and black color combination super rare bus. So I collect this one here. So friends, today I will collect same color toy vehicles. Yes, one more here. Ho ho. This is a mixer truck. See, this is 6-wheeler red and black color combination mixer truck. Wow, here is one more also. Yes, this is a racing car. Oh no, this is very nice and beautiful model racing car. See? Wow. Oh, this is a luxurious car here. See, this is BMW police car. Oh no, this is very nice and beautiful model police car. What is this here? Yes, I see here a cartoony helicopter. Oh no, this is also red color combination cartoony helicopter. This is very nice and beautiful model. Yes, here is one more. See friend, this is a metro rail. Oh no, this is 6-wheeler metro rail. See, this red color metro rail is very nice and beautiful model. And you can see also here Benton and Spider-Man sticker. Wow, here is a car. This is a cartoony car. See, this is red and black color combination cartoony car. This is very nice and beautiful model cartoony car. Friends, see how many toy vehicles here. Oh, there is one more here. Is a fire truck. See, this is red color combination 6-wheeler fire truck. It's very nice plastic toy but realistic model this fire truck. Yeah, see friend, what is this? The jungle? Oh no, this is a dirt bike. See, this is also red color combination dirt bike. It's very nice and powerful engine. Wow, this is falling. Oh, this is also a racing car. See, this is red black color combination, a racing car. It's very nice and beautiful model. So I collect this one here also. And this is my last toy vehicles in this place. So I collect this one here. Oh, yes, friend. See, now I collect this one. Is R17 high-speed bike. This is also red color. It's very nice model, this bike. So I collect this one also my bucket. So friends, all of these vehicles collect from the jungle and introduced with you one by one. Now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many color combination vehicles.